Onpassive is the home of many treasures. Treasures of precious people who are for the good of humanity. Mr. Mufareh has been able to unearth hidden treasures, precious gems, glittering diamonds, gold, and silver, and other valuable things. All of these treasures are founders in Onpassive. These founders form the foundation of Onpassive. They are characterized as unselfish, giving, loving, compassionate, caring, and self-sacrificing. They are ready to do whatever ethical and clean way to help Onpassive in its journey of helping to benefit humanity. Onpassive is a collection of founders from every segment of society. They are ready to help everyone to have success in Onpassive. These treasured founders add incredible value to Onpassive. Mr. Mufareh has uncovered hidden treasures that aren't hidden anymore. They are shining like precious jewels. They are more valuable and more durable than gold. As beautiful as corals in the oceans. Each of these founders is worth his and her weight in diamonds. The founders who do webinars each day in many languages, staying long hours on end to deliver the Onpassive opportunity, they are treasures. Founders making live YouTube and Facebook videos, designing beautiful images, writing positive and uplifting posts, are the treasures of Onpassive. Those founders who take the time to view the videos and posts of other founders, and make positive comments are treasures. The technology and hospitality staff employed by Onpassive are treasures. They all add value to Onpassive. Inanimate things form the infrastructure of Onpassive, but loving and living people who are treasures add more value to Onpassive. Onpassive is built on the treasures, and Mr. Mufareh and his family are our most loved treasures.